Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making something super delicious and convenient. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are the perfect breakfast for busy mornings. They're simple to prepare, require minimal ingredients, and can be customized to your taste. Plus, they're healthy and packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. So, whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, optional, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, pinch of salt. Toppings of your choice: fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, nut butter, granola, etc. Instructions: combine the dry ingredients in a mason jar or other sealable container. Add the rolled oats, chia seeds, and salt. Give it a quick stir. Add the wet ingredients. Pour in the milk, yogurt, if using, honey, maple syrup, if using, and vanilla extract, if using. Stir well to combine until there are no dry pockets. Refrigerate. Cover the container with a lid and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or overnight for best results. Get creative with toppings. In the morning, take out your overnight oats and give them a stir. Now, the fun part: toppings. Get creative and add your favorite toppings. I love fresh berries, chopped nuts, a drizzle of nut butter, and a sprinkle of granola. Enjoy. That's it. Your delicious and nutritious overnight oats are ready to enjoy. Grab a spoon, dig in, and start your day off right. Tips and variations: adjust the consistency. If you like your overnight oats thicker, use less milk. If you prefer them thinner, use more milk. Get nutty. Add a tablespoon of nut butter or chopped nuts for extra protein and flavor. Go chocolatey. Stir in a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. Make it ahead. You can make a big batch of overnight oats on the weekend and portion them out into individual jars for grab-and-go breakfasts throughout the week. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this overnight oats recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipe ideas. See you next time.